I'll give you a nickel and a dime if you chirp for me.
I want an SSD,
Okay, how much? How much storage?
4 TB.
4 terabytes? What do you think I am? Made of money?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm not made of 4 terabytes. That's like $1,000 right now, dude. That's insane. I'm not
There's
giving
one
you
on
four
sale at
terabytes.
Best Buy at $500.
Wait, is there actually
Yeah.
500 for 4 terabytes?
Yeah.
That's
It
actually
was
like
on sale.
that's actually like a steal right now. What brand?
WD Black.
Uh, hmm.
WD Black's a good brand.
It's not a bad brand, but yes, but WD. I mean, not for you. I'm not gonna buy it for you. 4 terabytes is crazy. $500 is too much
Uh,
for a bird.